Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how to create objects in this in the virtual environment that we have been using. So this goes into the final stretch of the course, where you are going to experiment programming a little bit in a high-level programming language, and so we're going to use the programming language that is available here in this virtual environment, which is a derivative of C, sort of very similar. So before I explain the programming language, I want to explain first how to create objects that can have scripts associated with them. I'm going to use the word scripts and programs sort of interchangeably. Scripts are typically a word that is used in sort of gaming environments. It means that it's usually associated with kind of specific objects or 3D objects that then show some behavior or some interactivity. And they are basically executed by the virtual environment, and then at points the virtual environment calls these scripts that are written by the designers or end users like us. So let me explain how to create your first script. So if you go into the build tools and you build some object, let's just create a cube over here. You can give it a name if you want, it doesn't matter. The important thing here, you can shape it, you can texture it, you can just do the 3D modeling that you want, but I'm going to go straight to the scripted part. So the scripted content goes in here, content. So if you click on the content tab, and then you can create a script. So click on new script. You can give it a name by right-clicking on this and renaming it. For example, first script. All right, and now you can double-click on it and you can edit. All right, so this is your first script, and it doesn't too much. I'll explain a little bit more in in the videos that follow how to what kind of language, what kind of things you can do here with the scripts. But it creates something that has some code by default. This is the code that initializes the object, the scripted behavior of the object, and so. If you see here, it says state entry. This is what gets executed when the object first starts executing this script. So it only executes once. It's an initialization phase, and it's what happens when you reset the script. So if you want to click this away, click this away. If I'm going to reset this, like you did, for example, for the terminals, go here, more scripts reset. It gets printed here. See, script running. That was the message that was there in that program. Let me add. So edit, content, first script. There it is. So this is how how you can print messages in the world for the people around to hear. All right. So this is just to explain how to create a script. You can objects can have more than one script, but for the purposes of what we are going to be doing, each object is going to have only one script. All right. So this is a very short video. Just try it out, and then in the next videos, I'm going to explain exactly how how these scripts work and what you can do with them. Okay.